Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. Actually, we have started design and analysis our mat foundation. So in our first lecture I have just shown you that how we'll define different types of materials properties or different types of properties that are really essential before designing a mat foundation. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video, and already we have completed many types of foundation design, and also slab design. I'll just suggest you, please go to our channel for that video, and also that playlist are given in description. And also if you're a civil engineer and if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So as in our previous video, we have defined our foundation. Okay, now I'll go for draw our mat foundation. So to draw mat foundation, I'll just select that option. Okay, draw slab, just click here, and from here this is types, this is slab, and properties, that is mat foundation. Okay, that is mat. So from here I will just click here, that point, after that point, and then that point, and here that point, and after coming here just press enter. So here our mat foundation, right? Here is our mat foundation. Now we'll give a column here. Okay, we'll give here our we'll just give here our, I'll just close that. Now we'll give her our stiff column, I mean column stiff. So to give that, I'll just simply click on it, quick draw area around point. I'll just click here, and from here I'll select rectangular slab, then I'll select column stiff. Okay, and we'll give here the data. We'll just give here the data here. So I'll consider that our every column. Okay, actually if your column are in different size, then you can use the different size, I mean you can use different size, but I'll just consider every column are same size to reduce our time actually. So I'll just consider our column sizes 400 mm. Okay, then I'll just come here, it's automatically considered as a meter, so I'll also give it 400 mm, then it's also okay. Okay, now to draw column stiff, just simply click here and see here your column stiff is ready. Otherwise you can also select that. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. After that we'll select here, I mean click here, then click like that, draw column stiff in every point. Okay, and see, in this way we'll draw our column stiff. Just draw our column stiff here at point. So we have successfully draw our column stiff actually. Okay, now we have draw our column stiff, that's fine actually, but if you see here our column is outside of our mat foundation. So actually we have to extend our foundation, in both sides. But for extending our foundation, they have two options actually. The first one is simply click here for select option. The first one is we can offset our foundation in every side. Okay, we can offset our foundation in every side. And another way is we can draw some point and we can extend our we can reshape our that mat foundation. This is the two way actually. So here I will just actually in our previous every video I have shown you that how we'll use our that how we'll just create point here, and how we'll extend or that slab or anything if it's being failed or anything. But here I'll just show that how we'll offset it. So just simply click here to select our that foundation. So by clicking we have selected our foundation. Now we'll go here edit, then here edit area. So from here, expand or shrink area. So from here, if you give the positive data, then it will expand, and if you give negative data, then it will shrink its side of the area. So I'll just expand our slab, our mat foundation, almost 1 meter. So I'll just give her 1000 millimeter, then click OK. Just see here, our foundation have extend in every side. Okay, in every side our foundation have extend. Right, now here is our foundation. Now actually, suppose if I click here, now see that, suppose I will apply load on it, but when I have select here, it's showing us one area and one it's selected, one area and one it's selected. But when we'll try to apply load here, then we'll be unable to apply load here, because when just we click here, the total column strip has selected, but we have to apply load on that column strip as a point load. For that we have to create some point on it. Okay, so to create point, just simply click here, draw, then draw points, and it's give offset 0 0. Okay, then click here. Now see that here point have created. Now press escape and just see here, it's showing a point here actually, right? It's showing a point here. And also if you select now, then see here it's have selected and it's showing 1 point have selected. So like that, just press escape, and like that we have to draw point. Okay, we have to draw point in the middle of every column strip. So I'm just going to draw that point. For that, here similarly I'll just go here, draw, then point, and it should be 0 0, then here point, and here another point, and then here another point, then here another point, again here, here. Be carefully selected that middle point for point. Here one, then another one, another one, and here one. After that here, draw here, and draw here, here actually, and here. So it's done. Now simply escape and see here, we have draw point everywhere. We have draw point everywhere. So now actually we have completed our work. Okay, to draw, I mean successfully we have draw our mat foundation. So with column strip. Okay, so in our next lecture I'll just show that how we'll apply load on it, and also how we'll go for analysis and design. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected. Next video.